Alright. Today is February 27th, 2015. Sorry, today is February, 22nd, 2015. Come here, Gracie, get over here, See ya. What don't we do? Stay right there.
We don't do drugs, don't do alcohol, don't do cigarettes. If somebody's being bullied, we go help them. And if we don't lie, we don't cheat, we don't steal. And if some person is being bullied, we help them and tell the teacher. And we don't keep secrets. Tell everybody.
No one's allowed to hit us, pinch us, and no one's allowed to touch us. Okay? You always go and get a teacher. If anybody does something wrong, you go get a teacher right away. Okay? Be good for all of your teachers, and you make sure to learn your lessons very well, and you're doing an outstanding job, okay? You're getting better with your grammar stuff. It's not going to take much to be better than Daddy with grammar, but...
What's grammar?
That's like your reading and your writing. That's how you write your words. Let's see here. Turn around. Okay, let me see. Turn around, let me see them. Okay, your clothes are all clean. You're all clean. Let me see your breath. Did you gargle?
Yeah.
Good job. Alright. Now look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, you remember all the things that are important in life, okay? You live every day to the fullest. Don't worry about what's going to go on tomorrow, okay? Unless it's your homework. But you live every single day to the fullest. And I want you to remember something, okay? Can you remember something? Remember that remember that Mommy and Gabby, they love you, okay? Grandma and Poppy love you. Megan and Marilia and Megan's unborn baby love you. Matt, Maddie, and Braden, they love you. Ann, Santee, River, Liam, and Jude, they love you with their entire heart. Grandpa Jansen loves you. Sister Florence loves you. Hey, Mrs. Goley loves you. You know, Rich Ellerman loves you. All these people, you've got friends you don't even know about that love you, okay? Now, most of all, look at me. Look at me, Gracie. I love you. And I am proud of you. See this face right here? See this face right here? It's Daddy's face. And I love you. And I'm proud of you. Don't ever forget that, okay? Sick, health, whatever. I'm going to always be your daddy. I can't do it. Okay. Hey, but look at me. I love you and I'm proud of you. No matter what ever happens. I don't want anybody touching you. I don't want anybody hurting you. If they hurt you, I'm going to hurt them back. Deal? High five. But you are not allowed to hurt anybody. You are not allowed to touch anybody. You are not allowed to yell at anybody. You're not allowed to say bad things to anybody. You talk nice to everybody. If you've got a problem, you make sure to tell the teachers. You come see Mommy or Daddy, okay? And if there's nobody around, all you got to do is say, hey, God, I got a problem. No, stand up. I'm showing you something here. You look up to heaven and go, hey, God, I got a problem. Can you help me today? Say, you know, you and I, we're getting to know each other pretty good. I'm only 7 years old, but you know what? I'm daughter of Eve. I'm son of Adam. Can you just help me out, God? You know what God's going to say?
What?
He's not going to say nothing. You know why?
What?
He's going to show you the way. You just have to listen with your heart, okay? Hey, make sure you say some prayers for Daddy and stuff, okay? Give me a hug and kiss. Come here. I love you and I'm proud of you, okay? Come here. And no matter what, you treat everybody fair, okay? And I love you, Square. Kiss. Oh, thank you. Okay. Alright, let's go. We gotta go. We're late. Come on, beautiful.